In today's video, I am going to teach you the chapter like resource and development. Okay, this is CBSE class 10 geography chapter, and let's see what is the development of what is resource first. Definition of resource. Resources are materials or materials used by humans to satisfy their needs and support life. They play a crucial role to support life in production, economic activities, and daily living. Actually, I don't find it important to see what is written in the definition. Resources are what? Resources, actually, you just look at resources, you can say, are materials used by human to satisfy their needs and support life. Full stop. They play a crucial role in production, economic activities, and daily living. These are what is very important. So what is clear to us is what is if you are asked to give the definition of resources, all you have to write is resources are materials used by human or human beings to satisfy, or human or living beings to satisfy their needs and support life. Resources play a crucial role in production, economic activities, and daily living. Is that clear? Actually, it was not very important, but it was written. This is not actually important. What is very important is resource. To define resource, we need to read this line. Everything in our environment that we use or that we can use to satisfy our needs and is technologically accessible, economically affordable, and acceptable culturally is termed a resource. Clear? Types of resources. If you look at types of resources, are of two types: biotic resources and abiotic resources. And biotic resources are living beings. Okay, living beings, both human beings and animals. Living beings. And then abiotic resources: mountains, rocks, soils, rocks. Okay. And then renewable resources, the resources that can be renewed, like water. Water can turn into ice, and then this that ice can melt into water, and this is how the water can change into water vapor. So this is renewable resource. So there are many resources that can be renewed and or replenishable. Non-renewable resources like coal. If you burn it once, it cannot be renewed again. You cannot make it into a coal again, because there is chemical change. Understood? When they get burnt, if a material gets burnt, it cannot be brought back to its original form. So it cannot be called renewable resource. It is non-renewable resource, because that resource cannot be uh, renewed. Then individual resource, individual resources are the things that we want. As human beings, if I am the owner of a house, of a flat, or the things that I own, that is individual resource. Community resource, one community, one resources means the playground, the resources that belong to the community, the playground, the hospital, they can be treated as community resource. Then national resource are the forest or mineral resources that we have. And then international resource like the sea. Clear? Especially sea, I must give the example of sea. Beyond the sea, beyond 200 nautical miles must be treated as international resource. Understood? Then we have potential resource and developed resources. The resource that have been developed to be used in future, and when it comes to talking about developed resource, means we know how much of the resource is available. And then potential resources, the resources that are yet to be used by us in future. Okay, I'm sure that if you have liked this chapter, I'm sure that you must not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.